I've earned 30 plus certifications, and I'm here to guide you to success on your exam. Welcome to the Ultimate 300 to 415 Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the 300 to 415 exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. Which component of the Cisco SD-WAN architecture oversees the control plane of the overlay network to establish, adjust, and maintain the connections between the WAN edge devices that form the Cisco SD-WAN fabric? A. APICM. B. vSmart. C. vManage. D. vBond. Correct answer B. vSmart. Explanation. The vSmart controller manages the control plane in Cisco SD-WAN. It handles route and policy distribution across the WAN edge devices. Question 2. Which device information is required on PNP or ZTP to support the zero-touch onboarding process? A. Serial and chassis numbers. B. Interface IP address. C. Public DNS entry. D. System IP address. Correct answer A. Serial and chassis numbers. Explanation. PNP or ZTP uses the device's serial and chassis numbers to authenticate and onboard it automatically into the SD-WAN fabric. Question 3. What is the default protocol for control plane connection? A. HTTPS. B. TLS. C. IPsec. D. DTLS. Correct answer D. DTLS. Explanation. Cisco SD-WAN uses DTLS by default for secure control plane communication. DTLS provides encryption and integrity for controlled traffic. Question 4. Which component of the Cisco SD-WAN control plane architecture should be located in a public internet address space and facilitates NAT traversal? A. WAN Edge. B. vSmart. C. vBond. D. vManage. Correct answer C. vBond. Explanation. The vBond orchestrator enables NAT traversal and initial authentication. It acts as the first point of contact for all WAN edge devices. Question 5. Which Cisco SD-WAN 1 Edge platform supports LTE and Wi-Fi? A. ISR 1101. B. ASR 1001. C. CSR 1000V. D. vEdge 2000. Correct answer A. ISR 1101. Explanation. The ISR 1101 supports integrated LTE and Wi-Fi for branch connectivity. It is ideal for mobile and remote site deployments. Question 6. Which protocol is used for vManage to connect to the vSmart controller hosted in cloud? A. PNP server. B. ZTP. C. HTTP. D. Netconf. Correct answer D. Netconf. Explanation. vManage communicates with vSmart controllers using Netconf over TLS. This ensures secure configuration and management exchange. Question 7. If Smart Account Sync is not used, which Cisco SD-WAN component is used to upload an authorized serial number file? A. WAN Edge. B. vSmart. C. vBond. D. vManage. Correct answer D. vManage. Explanation. The vManage dashboard allows manual upload of authorized serial number files. This enables onboarding of WAN edge devices without smart account sync. Question 8. Which port is used for vBond under controller certificates if no alternate port is configured? A. 12,344. B. 12,345. C. 12,347. D. 12,346. Correct answer D. 12,346. Explanation. Port 12346 is the default for vBond communication. It's used for secure DTLS and TLS sessions between vBond and other controllers. Question 9. In which device state does the WAN edge router create control connections, but data tunnels are not created? A. Valid. B. Backup. C. Active. D. Staging. Correct answer D. Staging. Explanation. In the staging state, control connections exist but data tunnels are inactive. This state helps validate control connectivity before activation. Question 10. When a WAN edge device joins the Cisco SD-WAN overlay, which Cisco SD-WAN component orchestrates the connection between the WAN edge device and a vSmart controller? A. vManage. B. vBond. C. OMP. D. APIC-EM. Correct answer B. vBond. Explanation. The vBond orchestrator authenticates WAN edge devices and directs them to connect with vSmart controllers securely. Question 11. In an AWS cloud, which feature provisions WAN edge routers automatically in Cisco SD-WAN? A. Cloud on-ramp. B. Cloud app. C. vAnalytics. D. Network designer. Correct answer A. Cloud on-ramp. Explanation. Cloud on-ramp automates WAN edge deployment in cloud platforms like AWS. It simplifies provisioning and connectivity setup. Question 12. An engineer is troubleshooting a certificate issue on the edge. Which command is used to verify the validity of the certificates? A. Show control local properties. B. Show control summary. C. Show certificate installed. D. Show certificate status. Correct answer D. Show certificate status. Explanation. The Show certificate status command checks certificate validity and expiration. It helps verify secure communication readiness. Question 13. Which two products are used to deploy Cisco WAN Edge Router virtual platforms? Choose two. A. Sun Enterprise M4000 server running Sun Solaris. B. Sun Spark node running AIX. C. Cisco UCS. D. HP ProLiant DL380 Generation 10 running HPUX. E. Cisco ENCS 5000 series. Correct answer C and E. Cisco UCS. Cisco ENCS 5000 series. Explanation. Cisco UCS and ENCS platforms support virtual WAN edge routers. They provide hardware flexibility for SD-WAN deployments. Question 14. Which component of the Cisco SD-WAN control plane architecture facilitates the storage of certificates and configurations for network components? A. vSmart. B. WAN Edge. C. vManage. D. vBond. Correct answer C. vManage. Explanation. vManage stores configuration, policies, and certificates. It acts as the central management and monitoring interface for SD-WAN. Question 15. An engineer is troubleshooting a vEdge router and identifies a failed DTLS connection failure message. What is the problem? A. Memory issue. B. Certificate mismatch. C. Organization mismatch. D. Connectivity issue. Correct answer D. Connectivity issue. Explanation. The failed DTLS failure usually indicates a connectivity problem. It means the control connection could not be established. Question 16. In a Cisco SD-WAN network, which component is responsible for distributing route and policy information via OMP? A. vManage. B. vSmart Controller. C. vBond Orchestrator. D. WAN Edge Router. Correct answer B. vSmart Controller. Explanation. The vSmart Controller runs OMP to exchange route and policy data. It controls the overlay network's routing intelligence. Question 17. For data plane resiliency, what does the Cisco SD-WAN software implement? A. Multiple vBond orchestrators. B. Establishing affinity between vSmart controllers and WAN edge routers. C. OMP. D. BFD. Correct answer D. BFD. Explanation. Cisco SD-WAN uses BFD to monitor tunnel liveliness. It provides rapid detection and failover for data plane resiliency. Question 18. Which third-party enterprise CA server must be used for a cloud-based vSmart controller? A. RootCert. B. VeriSign. C. Microsoft. D. Radius. Correct answer C. Microsoft. Explanation. Microsoft Enterprise CA can issue certificates for cloud vSmart controllers. It integrates with Cisco SD-WAN for secure authentication. Question 19. Which Cisco SD-WAN component facilitates the initial communication between WAN edge devices to join the fabric? A. WAN Edge Router. B. vSmart Controller. C. vManage. D. vBond Orchestrator. Correct answer D. vBond Orchestrator. Explanation. The vBond Orchestrator manages the first contact for WAN edge devices. It authenticates and directs them to the appropriate controllers. Question 20. What is an attribute of TLOC? A. Tag. B. Service. C. Local preference. D. Encryption. Correct answer A. Tag. Explanation. The TLOC tag helps identify specific transport locations. It's used for policy and traffic engineering decisions. Question 21. What is the behavior of vBond Orchestrator? A. It builds permanent connections with vSmart controllers. B. It builds permanent connections with WAN edge routers. C. It updates vSmart of WAN edge routers behind NAT devices using OMP. D. It maintains vSmart and WAN edge routers' secure connectivity state. Correct answer A. It builds permanent connections with vSmart controllers. Explanation. vBond establishes permanent links with vSmart controllers. It ensures continuous coordination for device onboarding and authentication. Question 22. Which routing protocol is used to exchange control plane information between vSmart controllers and WAN edge routers in the Cisco SD-WAN Secure Extensible Network? A. BGP. B. OSPF. C. BFD. D. OMP. Correct answer D. OMP. Explanation. OMP, Overlay Management Protocol, handles control plane information exchange. It's a Cisco SD-WAN proprietary protocol. Question 23. What is a requirement for a WAN edge to reach vManage, vBond, and vSmart controllers in a data center? A. OMP. B. IGP. C. QoS. D. TLS. Correct answer D. TLS. Explanation. TLS ensures encrypted communication between WAN edge and controllers. It secures management and control plane connectivity. Question 24. Which secure tunnel type should be used to connect one WAN edge router to other WAN edge routers? A. DTLS. B. SSL VPN. C. IPsec. D. TLS. Correct answer, C. IPsec. Explanation. IPsec tunnels secure the data plane between WAN edges. It encrypts user and application traffic across the overlay network. Question 25. What is the default value in milliseconds set for the pole interval in the BFD basic configuration? A. 300,000. B. 600,000. C. 900,000. D. 1,200,000. Correct answer B. 600,000. Explanation. The default BFD pole interval is 600,000 milliseconds. This interval defines how often BFD control messages are exchanged. Question 26. Which plane builds and maintains the network topology and makes decisions on traffic flows? A. Data. B. Orchestration. C. Management. D. Control. Correct answer D. Control. Explanation. The control plane manages routing and topology decisions. It determines the optimal data paths in Cisco SD-WAN. Question 27. How is TLOC defined? A. It is represented by a unique identifier to specify a site in an SD-WAN architecture. B. It specifies a Cisco SD-WAN overlay in a multi-tenant vSmart deployment. C. It is represented by a group of QoS policies applied to a WAN edge router. D. It is a unique collection of GRE or IPsec encapsulations, link color, and system IP address. Correct answer D. It is a unique collection of GRE or IPsec encapsulations, link color, and system IP address. Explanation. Clocks uniquely identify transport interfaces in SD-WAN. They define how data is sent and received over different transports. Question 28. Which vBond system configuration under VPN 0 allows for a routable public IP address even if the DNS name, hostname, or IP address of the vBond orchestrator are omitted? A. WAN. B. Local. C. DNS name. D. BON only. Correct answer D. BON only. Explanation. The BON only configuration allows flexible IP resolution. It enables communication even without predefined DNS or IP entries. Question 29. What are the two advantages of deploying cloud-based Cisco SD-WAN controllers? Choose two. A. Centralized control and data plane. B. Infrastructure as a service. C. Management of SLA. D. Centralized RAID storage of data. E. Distributed authentication policies. Correct answer B and C. Infrastructure as a service. Management of SLA. Explanation. Cloud-based controllers offer IaaS flexibility and SLA management. They improve scalability and availability of SD-WAN operations. Question 30. Which two image formats are supported for controller codes? Choose two. A. .nexos. B. .cow2. C. .iso. D. .ova. E. .bin. Correct answer B and D. .cow2. .ova. Explanation. Cisco controllers support QCOW2 and OVA formats for deployment. These formats are compatible with virtualized environments. Please revise full PDF 2 to 3 times for 100% success. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.